The secret of the power of the subconscious mind, which no one knows today. Conscious mind and unconscious mind. There are mainly two states of our mind. 1. Conscious mind, and 2. Subconscious mind. There are many more levels of both. During hypnosis, the subconscious mind is awakened. In such a situation, the power of the person increases, but he is not aware of it because at that time he is following the instructions of the hypnotist. Power of subconscious mind. 1. Our subconscious mind remembers more and accepts suggestions than the conscious mind. All our forgotten memories are preserved in it. 2. The subconscious mind is related to our subtle body. In this state, by establishing connection with the subtle body, a person can travel to a distant place or country. 3. Your mind is your real power. The thoughts coming in it are shaping your life every moment. 4. The reality is that your life is moving towards your thoughts. Your thoughts will create your life as you create your thoughts. 5. Your life does not end just because of one bad thought coming to your mind again and again. 6. Man is the result of his own thoughts. 7. Our mind always needs a direction to think. 8. Prepare your mind in such a way that every obstacle that comes in life should appear to you as an opportunity. 8. Emotions are strength, not weakness. 10. Ultimately, the outcome of your life will be the same as the way you use your time. The 2-day, 20-hour workshop on Mantra of Success started on Saturday at a hotel in the city. Motivational speaker Umresh Jha told that our mind is divided into two parts, one conscious and the other subconscious mind. The subconscious mind has 90% power. Through this, breathing, heartbeat, and all other essential functions, ability to remember and store something, and many other important functions are possible in our body. The subconscious mind works 24 hours day and night. If we give positive commands and concepts to the subconscious mind, we can guide it and achieve the desired success in life. Nothing is impossible for the subconscious mind.